Hello and welcome to 2-minute revision cards, and this is cards number 85 to 88. We're looking at ratios. Don't forget to download your digital copy so you've got a copy on your device to have a read of, or you can print it out and make yourself a nice set of cards for free. Or alternatively, you can subscribe to my channel and watch the videos whenever you like. Revise your way. On the go, on the bus, whenever you like. So, without further ado, let's step right into it. Card number 85. Some examples of working with ratios. So, if you look, there's a nice glass of orange juice, and it's split into 3 parts water and 1 part orange squash. So, to make that drink, I'd need a ratio of 1 to 3. 1 part squash to 3 parts water, which would be a total of 4 parts. And then another example, a classroom of 30 children, 3 parts girls to 2 parts boys. So within that class, what that means is for every 3 girls, there's 2 boys in the class. So the first thing we need to remember about ratios is the kind of 3 different things that we do. And on card number 86, the first thing is simplifying ratios. Very similar to what we do with fractions. When we simplify fractions, we need to find a common number. So that first example, simplify 2 to 4. So that could be 2 red marbles to 4 black marbles. And we need to simplify it down. I know straight away that 2 divides into 2 and 4, and your times tables are really important for this one. So 2 divided by 2 gives you a value of 1. 4 divided by 2 gives you a value of 2. So simplified down, that same ratio, the same proportions, 2.4 is the same as 1 to 2. And if you think about it, 2 red marbles, double is black marbles at 4. So if you look at the simplify, for every 1 red marble, there's 2 black marbles. And that's in its lowest form. So the next one, simplify 4 to 16. And that could be red socks, or loose socks to paired socks maybe. I don't know, it could be anything. So 4 to 16, I know straight away, because I know my 4 times table, that 4 goes into them both. 4 into 4 goes 1, 4 into 16 goes 4 times. So reduced and simplified down, the answer to simplify 4 over 4 and 16 is 1 to 4. And the last one, simplify 5 to 15, they both divide by 5. 5 into 5 goes 1, 5 into 15 goes 3. So the simplified answer is 1 to 3. Let's look at card 87. And this is where we're working out shares. And there's 2 examples on there. The formula, the method we need to remember is we add up all the shares values, divide them into the total value, and then multiply the shares out. So I'll do that 945 in a ratio of 2 to 5. So what that really means is £945 is going to be split in 2. Someone's going to get 2 lots, someone's going to get 5 lots. So altogether there'll be 7 lots, and they'll add up to 945. So we add up the shares. 2 and the 5 equals 7. And then we take that 945 and divide it by the total value of 7 shares. 945, which is the total value, divided by the total shares of 7, gives us an answer of 135. So now we multiply out. So the first value, which is 2 lots of the shares, is 2 times 135, gives us an answer of 270. And the second lot, which is 5 lots of the 945, 5 lots of 135 equals 675. So 2 lots was 270, 5 lots was 675, and if you add those back together, it will come to the original value of 945. Good way to check. Let's have a look at this other example. Tony and Pete share 30 sweets at a ratio of 3 to 2. How many sweets does Tony get? So we add up the shares. So 3 and 2 adds up to 5. We divide that 5 into the total value, which is 30 sweets. 30 sweets divided by 5 gives us an answer of 6. So Tony, who's got 3 shares, will get 3 lots of 6, which is 18 sweets. And Pete will get 2 shares, so he's getting 2 lots of 6, which is 12 sweets. So the answer to the question is Tony will get 18 sweets. Card number 88. So this is finding a missing value. And it says Tony has some grapes and some peaches. The ratio is 2 to 3. Tony has 14 grapes. How many peaches does he have? Well, what do we know? We've got 14 grapes and that's 2 shares. We've got 3 shares in peaches, but we don't know the value. So if we find out what the value of 1 is, and to do that we take the 14 and divide it by the 2 shares, which tells us what 1 share is. And 1 share equals 7. So now we know the value of 1 share, we can work out the value of 3 shares. So 1 share is 7. 3 shares would be 3 times 7, which equals 21. So our answer is we'll have 14 grapes and 21 peaches. Okay, thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.